Okay, so now I will work on the followers entity, generating the fake data for the followers entity. But before that, I said in the previous video that I will make this code less repetitive, like make one function that generates all of them. I won't do it. Just a waste of time. I'll just keep it like this. So let's start just after the like data function. I'll create another function private, call it followers. No, follow data. Okay, and it will return an array of partial. I will just copy that. Array of partial. So the user follower entity. So let me copy this, put it here. So we won't have a type. Yeah, we won't have a type, and we won't have a post. And this should be here as well. So it will be correct. So it now complains because we won't have a user. We will have, if you go to the user follower entity, we will have the followers, the following, and should be an array of user entities. And okay, let's do it. So the followers will be random dot array element of this dot users, and the following will be the same. And the status, I'll just paste the line I copied earlier, and the status would be the random dot array element of. I'll export the enum from the user follower entity, and I'll just get its keys. So object dot keys, this will return an array. Yes, imported. So, but before I run this, if you think about it for a little bit, this logic here allows the user to follow him or herself, and we don't want that. So for example, if this random array element might return the user with an ID 1, and also in the following it might return the same user. So the user with ID 1 followed himself or herself. So a quick fix for it's I'll just create a variable here called followers. It will be random. It will be just this one as it is, and I need to put this here. Yeah, this is TS rule, so tells me that you can use this shortcut since the key and the value the same token or whatever. Now the second variable called following will be I'll just copy paste the random array element, but I need to get a random user from the array of users excluding excluding this followers here, this one, this user which I stored inside the followers array. So I can use the filter function. So this dot users dot filter, this will accept a callback. So the type of the variable, the arguments here will be a partial of user entity, I will destruct the ID. So I will filter based on the ID. I'll remove the body of the function. So ID should not be equal to the followers.id. And this here will be here. And it will complain, so I'll remove it. Just like this. Yeah, I think now we only need to put in the case, put this function inside the case. Oops, sorry. Yes, here. So case user follower entity call it with the follow data. So in the app service, I'll just call this dot fake it with the user follower entity. So these three are okay to run in parallel because they all depend on one of these two. So I'll run npm run start. I'll come back when this finish. So okay, npm run start finished, compiled everything and saved the application. And if I go to the behavior, so this is the user followers table data. So as you can see, we have status accepted, pending, blocked here. We have the users IDs. So yeah, looks fine. I'm not sure what the next video will be. So yeah, thank you.